All right, folks. So I recently downgraded, I'm not sure what you would call it, to a Garmin Instinct 3 AMOLED version. And I had gone from a Garmin Fenix 6X to a Casio G-Shock and realized very quickly that I missed a lot of what the Garmin watches had. I had gotten frustrated with the old MIP display that the Fenix had, and I was like, I'm just going to go back to what I know, which was the Casio G-Shock. It was rugged, it was durable, it was awesome. But eventually I realized very quickly I missed my step count, I missed my sleep, and other things. But when I was researching what watches to buy, I decided on the Garmin Instinct 3 because it had this new AMOLED display. Now, currently you're seeing it in night mode, which I have it set to go to a monochrome green display. And anyhow, so you're seeing that, and it's great. I mean, it's very, very, very easy to read, which is the biggest complaint I had about the old Fenix. But the really cool thing about this is it actually has a flashlight, which is cool enough. And when you double tap this up here, and it has a brightness adjustment that you'll see over here on the side that you adjust using these buttons on the side. So you can go from full brightness all the way down to 25%. But then they have another mode where it has a red light, which many of you understand who've used flashlights when camping and things. If there's a red filter, it's so much easier on your eyes to switch from regular viewing at night to using a flashlight using a red filter. So I thought that was pretty awesome. It was kind of a hidden feature to me. I knew they had the flashlight, but I didn't realize they had the different modes. So regular flashlight and then a red filter. So super cool. Way to go, Garmin.